What is up guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can set up international shipping on Shopify. Now this is very easy and quick, so all you have to do guys is make sure you watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. Now the first thing you need to do guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Okay, now what you need to do guys next, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on shipping and delivery, and you need to click on manage. Okay, next to general shipping rates, you want to click on manage. And what you need to do guys next, you want to scroll down a little bit, click on create zone. Next to shipping zones, you need to click on create zone, and here you need to name the zone in the top. You can name it anything so your customers won't be able to see this. Okay, so for example, countries I ship to. Okay, and here you can select all international countries, or you can select the one that you want to ship to. For example, I would like to select Australia and Belgium and Canada and Denmark and I don't want to select France, Finland and Germany, Hong Kong, Israel, Italy, Japan. So you can find all the countries that you want to ship to. For example, if you want to ship to Europe, you can select Malaysia, like Norway, okay, Poland and South Korea. So you can choose any country here, Spain, for example, Spain, Sweden. Okay, so after that you need to click done. Okay, you scroll down a little bit now, and here you will find the zone. Like I named the zone countries I ship to, as you can see. Now under that it says here no rates. Customers in this zone won't be able to complete checkout. So this means you need to add the shipping price, otherwise these people won't be able to buy this. Okay, you need to click on add rate and right name add standard, and the price, if you want to offer free shipping, you can just add 0.00. But if you want to charge these countries, for example, $20, you can do that. Click done, click save in the top right, and that's it. So that's exactly guys how you can do this, and this is the best way to do to set up international shipping on Shopify. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.